Using a Rakuten Visa credit card is a convenient and rewarding way to make purchases online and in-store. To get started, first apply for a Rakuten Visa credit card through the Rakuten website or a participating bank. Once approved, you will receive your card in the mail along with instructions on how to activate it. To activate your card, visit the Rakuten website or call the customer service number provided with your card. You will need to provide your card details and verify your identity to complete the activation process. After activation, you can start using your card to make purchases online and in-store. When making a purchase, simply present your card to the merchant or enter your card details online. The merchant will then process the transaction and you will earn rewards points for every dollar spent. Rakuten rewards points can be redeemed for cash back, gift cards, or other rewards. To manage your account, log in to the Rakuten website or mobile app. From here, you can view your account balance, transaction history, and rewards points balance. You can also make payments, update your account information, and set up account alerts. To get the most out of your Rakuten Visa credit card, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions. This includes the interest rate, fees, and rewards program details. It is also important to make on-time payments and keep your account in good standing to avoid interest charges and late fees. Additionally, consider setting up automatic payments and account alerts to help you stay on top of your account activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Rakuten Visa credit card with confidence and maximize your rewards earnings. Remember to always use your card responsibly and within your means to avoid overspending and debt.